Hello dear students, in this semester 3rd of B.Ed, we will going to study about childhood and adolescent development, and under this paper we will study about the concept and principles of development. Development refers to change through time, but not all changes are developmental. Developmental changes are systematic rather than haphazard and successive rather than independent of earlier conditions. Werner in 1957 suggested that changes are considered as developmental when they are from organization to a more differentiated and complex form. So here in this class we will going to study about the various aspects of growth and development and what are the basic difference between growth and development. So knowledge of the pattern of human development helps to know what to expect from a children and what goes to expect from patterns of behavior to appear when these patterns will normally be replaced by more mature patterns. This understanding is important so that we can expect from a child accordingly in relation to the other norms of his age group. We can expect too much from a child, maybe it develops some maladjustment among the children. The pattern of development for all typically developed children is approximately same. So it is to evaluate each child in relation to their norms that is already accepted. Now typically developed children may make adjustment to social expectations, but the children who deviate from normal pattern may improve with help and opportunities and motivation. Knowledge about the pattern of normal growth and development may facilitate the parents and teachers to guide, provide opportunities and encouragement for the delayed children. Growth and development, these terms many times people use these terms interchangeably. In reality, they are inseparable and neither take place alone. So now we will going to discuss about the difference between growth and development. Growth refers to quantitative changes like physical changes that increase in size and structure, whereas development refers to both qualitative as well as quantitative. In case of growth, size and structure of internal and function of organism and brain increases, whereas in development it involves both structures. Growth can be measured with some degree of reliability in terms of weight, bone, age, etc. In case of development, it may be defined as progressive, the series of orderly and coherent changes. In case of growth, child grows mentally as well as lead forward physically. In case of development, it is progressive and signifies the changes. Development is orderly and coherent, and it indicates there is a definite relationship between the changes that are taking place and those that are preceded and will follow them. Development is a continuous process that starts even before birth. Numerous and simultaneous progression of development are closely related and manifested many individuals and variations. So these are the main difference between growth and development. There are few laws and principles related to growth and development. There are two main laws related to growth and development. First is cephalocaudal principle. Here growth directs and the development from head to downwards. So in cephalocaudal, growth directs the development from head downwards. Whereas there is another principle of growth, that is proximo-distal principle, and here growth that proceeds from spine to extremities, that is that moves from the central part to the outer part, that is encourages development from the central body part to the outer body part. So here today we have discussed about the growth and development and the difference between growth and development. In our next class we will going to discuss the various main characteristics of various stages of development among human beings. Thank you so much.